global trends constantly evolving, a new report published by the Pew Research Center is forecasting what the future of world religions might look like through the end of the 21st century. The study outlines more than just a few noteworthy statistics. Among them is a 35% increase in the population of the world in the next 40 years. What does that mean? Well, it means that in just 4 decades, we'll be sharing the planet with 9.3 billion other people. The report also highlights that in that same amount of time, the number of Muslims in the world are expected to match the number of Christians and become the world's largest religion by the end of the century. Adding that quote, "Driven primarily by differences in fertility rates and the size of youth populations among the world's major religions, as well as by people switching faiths, over the next 4 decades, Christians will remain the largest religious group, but Islam will grow faster than any other major religion if current trends continue by 2050. And check this out. According to that same population projection, Muslims are the only major religious group expected to grow faster than the global population as a whole. And here's another point worth mentioning. By the year 2050, India, still a Hindu majority, is expected to have the world's largest Muslim population, even surpassing Indonesia. In developed countries, secularism is expected to increase as well. Here in the U.S., it's projected that approximately 1/4 of U.S. Americans will be claiming no religious affiliation at all. But in Africa, the continent currently experiencing the fastest pace of development, will be home to almost 40% of the world's Christian population, raising the prospects of seeing the very first African pope in the near future. The report by the Pew Research Center, published just this month, is already being lauded by academics and being considered a good foundation for debate over how future policy will be shaped by ever-changing global demographics. Manuel Rapalo, RT Studios, Washington.